Today's video, we're going to be going over the routines that a lot of you should be following, the type of routines that I follow, the things I do, which help keep me in peak performance. As we know, trading is an extremely tough business, so to remain consistent, you have to, it's a lot of the time it's the things outside of trading which put you in peak performance, which help you stay positive, stay at peak performance, so you're able to trade and be consistent. So I'm going to be going over the routine, everything everyone should follow, and yeah, hopefully you get value from it. Also, a lot of you have been asking about a free community, and I'm going to leave a link below to a Discord group where we can just all discuss our ideas, trades, all communicate, because a lot of you have been talking in the comments and on my Instagram. I'll also leave my Instagram down below. And a lot of you have been asking about a free community, me starting one. So yeah, if you want to join, click the link down below, and yeah, we'll get you into the Discord. So yeah, let's get into the video. So my routine, a lot of the time it starts the night before. So I'll look over the currency pairs that I'm looking to trade. I only trade 3 currency pairs: US dollar CAD, Australian dollar US dollar, and pound. So I used to trade a lot more, but now I'm only trading 3 currency pairs. And what I'll do is I'll go over the price action that happened that day, and I'm looking at what's likely to happen during Asia overnight because I'll be asleep, and what I'm looking at for London. I'll go over what happened the day before, and did I trade my plan as I should? Was that day a good trading day? And by good trading day, I don't mean about profit or loss. I mean about, did I execute my plan as I should? If there are looking like there are in areas of value where I want to take trades, what time? I'll sort of roughly work out what time that will be. Will it be the start of London session? Will it be already have occurred at the start of London session and we have to wait till New York? So I'm just sort of preparing, mentally forecasting in my mind and on the charts. What am I looking at for the next day? What am I looking at? This was neglected a lot from me at the start, but I actually tried to get 8 hours of sleep because I'm sure all of you know when you've had 3-4 hours, it just takes it out of you mentally. You're not as focused, not as alert, not as clear, and you might not think it means that much in trading, but honestly, I've noticed just by getting an extra couple of hours, usually if I get 6, if I get 8, it massively improves mental fog and clarity. Because I want to be clear and focused for the next day. I want to know exactly what I'm looking at. Because a lot of you sometimes say to me, "Oh, well, how I keep losing, or I don't know what I'm doing. I'm inconsistent." The way you stay consistent is by sticking to a consistent routine, but most of all, knowing exactly what you're looking for. The next day, so the night before, I know exactly what price action I'm looking at, what I'm looking for to get into the market. So if that doesn't occur, I don't enter. If it does, I know exactly when, where, and how I'm going to enter. So now the next morning, I usually get up at about 6:30 because London opens at 8 o'clock. So I'll get up at 6:30, despite if there's a trade or not. Because I used to, and I made a video about this before, I used to just get up based on if I knew that there was going to be a trade the next day. So like I said, the night before, if I thought there was going to be no trades, I wouldn't enter. If I thought there was going to be no trades the next morning, I would just get up at 9, 10 o'clock, sleep in a little bit, because in my head I thought, I'm not missing out on anything. It doesn't really matter. Why would it matter if I'm not losing any money? There was no trades to take. But what happened was I messed up my routine. So then the next day I was out of sync, and the momentum I was building by sticking to a good, consistent, clear routine affected my performance, which made me a little bit inconsistent at times. So in the hours before London session, so I'm sat at the desk. I'm forecasting the opportunities on the chart. So like I said, the night before, I mentally know, right, I'm looking for this area, I'm looking for it to pull back, or I'm looking for it to continue based on whether we're in a trend continuation or we're looking for a pullback move. And I'm sort of just thinking about, I'm forecasting the type of price action. I want to see a break of a clear level, I want to see a retest, I want to put my stop here. So you're sort of visually waiting for the opportunity and knowing, okay, this is what I'm looking at. I eat breakfast, which everyone should eat, but I eat healthy. I try to remain as healthy as possible throughout the week. So usually I have scrambled eggs or something like that, depending on if I'm bulking, trying to put on size, or whether I'm cutting. But I'll usually have 3-4 eggs in the morning. It's healthy. I like it. Gives me good protein, and I'm pretty strict with my diet because of the discipline aspect. A lot of the trading comes down to discipline, sticking to your trading plan as you should. So if you tell yourself, I'm going to, in the week, I'm going to be disciplined, but then I end up having unhealthy things, even if I want them, I need to remain disciplined. And then it's just patience. You're waiting for the setup. The setup's either going to occur or it's not. So you're not just hopping randomly into opportunities. You're not just randomly buying, randomly selling. If the setup that I forecast the night before and in the early hours of before London opens, if they occur, I'll look to enter. If they don't, I just won't enter. I'll sit on my hands, because a lot of trading is patience. A lot of trading, which people don't realise, is you're just sat there waiting. You know what you're looking for, and you're just sat there waiting. If people want the adrenaline rush of buying, I'm in a trade, I'm buying, I'm making money, now I'm down, now I'm up, placing 10 trades a day, that's just gambling. You need to have an actual edge, a back-tested, clear edge that you know has an edge long term, and you just got to execute your plan. You're just risk managing. You're just managing your risk, making sure that you're sticking to your plan, waiting for the opportunities. So that's pretty much London. I'm waiting for opportunities, and if not, I'll sit on my hands. And then afternoon/evening. So if there was no trades in London, obviously I won't trade. If I know, okay, there's again no opportunities, they're not in areas of value that I want to get in. Maybe New York could have an opportunity. I'll then get lunch, which is usually a healthy chicken and rice, beef and rice, something like that. Usually have it in a wrap, so it's pretty decent. It's a way of having healthy meals that are fun, like they're not too boring. I enjoy them, it's sustainable for me. But then I'll come back to the desk around 1:30, well, probably about 1ish, ready for New York Open. And same thing occurs. I know what I'm looking for because I planned the day before. If things have changed, then you adapt that forecast for the New York session. But pretty much I'm just sitting there waiting for the opportunities. Again, know what I'm looking at, know what I'm waiting for, and I execute if the entry occurs. I hit the gym pretty regularly. So where I'm from, very close to me, there's a leisure club. So there's gym and spa facilities like saunas and steam rooms and jacuzzi. So I'm very lucky to have that. So I go there most days. So I hit the gym probably mostly 5 days a week. Sometimes more, sometimes less, but on average 5 days a week. Again, pretty strict with the gym. And then I'll go to the sauna after, have a 20-minute sauna. I have some friends that I meet there. Go just sit in the jacuzzi, socialise with people and chill. So it's a nice environment to chill. Again, it's good for you. Keeps me in a clear headspace. You're doing positive habits. You're replacing the bad habits with positive habits. Meet good people. There's a few traders up there, all different levels, but there's a few people that we can socialise with. And yeah, at the end of that day, if there were trades that I took in New York and London, I'll review them at the end of the day. I won't go as thorough as what I do at the weekends. Weekends I do a complete week review, but at the end of the day I'll look and think, hey, was that a good trade? Did it hit my target? Did it hit where I was aiming to target? Was I correct on the trade? Was it a good trade? Was it part of the plan? And yeah, just review the positions, and then just repeat that cycle again in the evening. Pretty much just go back to this night before, plan everything. So that's pretty much my routine. I think if you guys can follow some of these things, like implement the gym, whether you're weight training or whether you're running, doing cardio, have the gym or some kind of exercise in there. A clear diet, again, doesn't have to be the same diet as mine, but something that's healthy, keeps you clear, keeps you focused. It's going to keep you in peak performance. It's going to help you stay in peak performance so that executing your trades, you know exactly what you're looking for and what you're doing. So yeah, I hope you guys got value from this video and you enjoy this content. It's something that a lot of you guys should be able to stick with. And yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. Like I said at the start of the video, we've got a Discord group now, free Discord group where we can all discuss trades, potential ideas. So make sure you join that if you want just a bit more information on and just a bit more of a community feel. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to the channel, let me know your thoughts down below. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.